Okay, so we have two trades starting to develop right here. We had the NQ that did happen, that already made its move. We have the ES that actually just got it down, it pulled out of the overbought on the up close. So we're going to leave the ES alone right here. Okay, you see when it gives you a down close, it should, I mean, when it comes out of the overbought, it should be on a down close. Alright, so right now, this would be the trade that you would normally take if it gave you the down closes, and you would be shorting the down close on it, but I'm not going to do that with the ES. Now the YM is the next one over here. If you look over here on the side, the YM has a potential trade here. It's going to be 83 down to 63 on the YM is what you'd be selling right now. Alright, 83 down to 63. Here it is. This is what it looks like on the DOM. And the NQ is about to give us another trade here too. So get ready on the NQ for the down close. There it is on the YM. Stop going to break even. Now with the YM trade, the stop goes to break even after 10 ticks in profit. Sorry, 10 ticks in profit. I'm just going to lock in 5 on that. That's 6, 7, 10. So I have 10 ticks locked in over there. I missed the NQ trade that happened, but I have now 15 ticks locked in on the YM trade. Okay, so we got 15 out of that YM trade. Now the YM should keep going down to the prior swing low right here. That's what you should see on that.